Hi, my name is Robbie Sims. I'm General Manager for Santie Oil Company in Sikeston, Missouri. We're a regional lubricant distributor for the Midwest. How we hooked up with TankScan is one of the issues we were having is where we're located. A lot of our accounts are in rural areas, and we needed a monitor that would help support those so that we could see the lubricant levels in those tanks so that we could run our routes more efficiently and try to get basically the biggest bang for our buck on our routes. So tried out a couple of TankScan monitors in some areas where we thought would be cell challenged, to say the least. A couple of our trouble areas, and they performed greatly. So after that, we deployed about 100 monitors with TankScan, and a very simple process. Most, if not all of them, were able to be done on route by the drivers. Very simple. The customer service and tech support on the TankScan side has been awesome. If we call, they answer. We don't get put in a long queue. We don't get transferred overseas. We deal with somebody right away, and their support has just been fantastic. So we've had great results with TankScan. I'm very happy to be a partner with them, and would highly recommend it to anybody else that's looking for a tank monitor solution.